doing? Mwah. I held myself back from going to the store today because I just went over to my mom's to bring her some goods and to visit with her. Well, if I could stop yawning, I'll do a video. I'm going to walk you through the artichoke recipe if you'd like. If you're into it, stay right where you are. If not, I'll see you in the next video. So, I got these artichokes from the 99-cent store. Beautiful. They were just gorgeous. They were screaming my name. Come here and get me. So, I got 2 of them. And I brought them home. I put them in a bowl and soaked them to get them clean. Then I took a scissor and I trimmed all the points. Okay, so far you just rinse them, cut all the points off everywhere. Just cut the points. Okay. Next, chop off the top. Open it up and soak it. Rinse it. That's how you clean it. Here's what I cut off. The artichokes. I cut it with my little scissor. I cut all the tips and the tops and the bottom off. And then my knife. And here they are soaking. I need to clean them. There you go. I'm going to open them up. Okay. That's it, right? Now, put it in boiling water and let it rapidly boil for over an hour till it gets really, really soft. I had put it in my crock pot. It was in there for a couple of hours, but you know, it wasn't boiling or anything. And when I took out some of the leaves and tasted it, it was still hard. So I said, this needs boiling water. So I put it on the stove in a pot with boiling water, and I just let it rapidly boil for maybe 2 hours, and I kept adding more water. I did add some white wine to it, some beef broth, some garlic powder as I was boiling it. You don't have to, but I just did. I think it needs boiling water, just rapidly boiling water on medium. Just on medium. So once I knew that it was really soft, because I tested a leaf, and then what you do is you scrape it with your teeth, and when it comes off into your mouth, really soft, then it's done. So then I just made a mixture, very, very easy, Progresso Italian flavored breadcrumbs with Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and garlic. Garlic powder or fresh garlic. I usually buy garlic in the bottle. What else did I put in it? Okay, so I mixed that up. You could put salami, ham, cheese. So I do have a video down below that I made a couple of years ago with the stuffed artichoke. It's very, very good too, if you want to look at it. All you do is sit the artichokes up. They look like beautiful flowers. Sit them up, open up the leaves, and stick all the stuffing in the artichoke in between the leaves. The stuffing that you just made. And add some butter. Olive oil, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, and that's about it. You put it in the oven. When it looks like it's a little crispy, you take it out and you make a little aioli dip, okay, which is mayo. I use light mayonnaise, I use garlic powder, and I use whole chopped garlic and lemon. Mix that up. It's a white creamy mixture, and you are ready for a delicacy. You take the artichokes, put it in a nice big dish, and you peel off the leaves, and the delicious part is on the bottom of the leaf. You dip it into the dip, and then you scrape it with your teeth. Now, you have to understand that inside every artichoke, there is a choke that chokes you. It could choke you, the choke. It's a bunch of hairy fibers that can just choke you to death. So, before you even serve it to anyone, you could dig into the center and pull it out. Now, if you can't do it, then while you're eating, as you're peeling it away, You will find it. Now, underneath that hairy choke is the delicious meat of the artichoke. The delicious meat. It's so good. And it's about that thick, and it's all around, and it is the best part. So, you have to remove all the hairiness, all the spiky chokes, and then you come to the gold. It's fun to eat. It's a real delicacy. It's a great appetizer. It's a great dinner. You could stuff it with anything. Last time, I think I stuffed it with cheese and ham, salami. So if you watch that old video, you'll see. But this way it was delicious, absolutely delicious. So I find myself cooking a lot. I mean, I just dream of what I'm going to make. And the other day I made potato salad. I made chicken with ketchup and brown sugar and lemon and mushrooms with onions. And I will be popping in here and letting you know what I cooked if it came out good. So I hope you try it. I hope you can find some beautiful artichokes like I did. I mean, that was the only reason I bought it today. It wasn't that they were sad looking. I wouldn't have bought it. But they were just so plump and green. It was gorgeous. I hope you are cooking up a storm too, like I am. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. I'm thinking about you and I'm praying for you. I can't get through a video without yawning.